Hi guys.
This is pissing me off.
Hey,
Okay.
Open this.
We are eating toxic waste sour candies.
yeah.
Yum.
At the same time, we're eating 3 of them.
Oh my god.
Here you go.
God.
Hurry up. The blue one.
Where'd it go?
Right here.
Hang on.
The green one. The yellow one.
Oh, I'm Jen, by the way. That's Jen. Just kidding. I'm Jen.
This is Jen. That's Jane.
I'm Morgan.
This is our special guest for today, Morgan, aka Medea.
Yes. And Scar. Okay. I have green apple. And then I have watermelon. And then I have Powerpuff Girl colors.
Oh yeah, I just noticed
We
that.
do.
Oh, we have to put that video up. Powerpuff Girls.
Yeah. If I still I don't think I have it online.
Okay. I'll put it up.
Okay, so we're putting all 3 of these in our mouth at the same time, just so you can watch our faces.
Oh, I can't wait.
My tongue's already burning from the ones we had before.
Oh God.
Ready? Set.
One at a time or all?
Oh, go.
We should do one at a time.
No, all at the same time.
Morgan did
Go.
it. My eyes are warm.
The blue one tastes like shit. Ah, you're crying! I'm good.
Okay. I'm good. Okay.
That was awful.
I hope you enjoyed that.
Oh, my mouth is burning now.
Okay. Thanks for watching. Send us your questions
Yeah.
at myspace.com/GenandJinx. We will answer them. Thanks.
Bye. Bye.